Pressing the wrong pedal. Many beginners panic because they mix up the gas and brake. Fact: studies show pedal misapplication is one of the most common causes of beginner accidents. Solution is awareness. Always remember gas is on the right, brake is wider on the left. Tip: rest your right foot lightly over the brake when unsure. Next, let's look at a mistake many make with gear shifting. Segment 2. Shifting without stopping first. Some drivers switch between drive and reverse while still moving. Fact: doing this can damage the transmission badly. Solution: always stop the car fully before shifting gears. Tip: count a quick 1-2 after stopping before shifting. Next, the danger of resting your hand on the gear lever. Segment 3. Hand on the gear lever. It looks casual, but resting your hand on the lever is risky. Fact: it puts pressure on the shift mechanism and shortens its life. Solution: keep both hands on the wheel unless shifting. Tip: train yourself to place your right hand back on the wheel every time. Buddy, remember this. Good habits make great drivers. You're building those habits now. Next, riding the brake pedal. Segment 4. Riding the brake. Keeping your foot pressed lightly on the brake all the time is a mistake. Fact: it causes brake pads to wear out faster and confuses drivers behind you. Solution: use the brake only when you actually need to slow down. Tip: rest your heel on the floor and move your foot between pedals instead of hovering. Next, using neutral at the wrong times. Segment 5. Neutral at traffic lights. Some beginners shift to neutral at every red light. Fact: modern automatic cars are designed to stay in drive without damage at short stops. Solution: keep it in D with your foot on the brake for quick starts. Tip: only use neutral if waiting for a very long time. Next, the habit of ignoring the parking brake. Segment 6. Skipping the parking brake. Many drivers think park gear is enough. Fact: using park alone puts heavy stress on the transmission lock. Solution: always use the handbrake when parking, even on flat ground. Tip: make it a routine. Park gear plus handbrake, always together. Buddy, you're not just avoiding mistakes, you're driving smarter. Keep it up. Next, starting in the wrong gear. Segment 7. Starting in drive by accident. Some people start the car with the gear still in D or R. Fact: most cars have safety systems, but forcing it can still damage the gearbox. Solution: always check that the lever is in P before starting. Tip: make a checklist. Brake, gear in P, start. Next, flooring the gas pedal. Segment 8. Pressing the gas too hard. Slamming the gas is a rookie error. Fact: rapid acceleration wastes fuel and stresses the engine. Solution: press the gas gently and smoothly. Tip: imagine stepping on an egg. Don't crack it. Next, braking too late. Segment 9. Late braking. Waiting until the last second to brake is dangerous. Fact: smooth braking improves safety and saves fuel. Solution: start slowing down earlier. Tip: watch 2 or 3 cars ahead so you can react sooner. Buddy, stay patient with yourself. Every small correction makes you safer. Next, forgetting mirrors. Segment 10. Ignoring mirrors. Many beginners forget to check mirrors before changing lanes. Fact: blind spot errors cause thousands of crashes yearly. Solution: check all mirrors and turn your head before moving. Tip: make mirror, signal, move a habit. Next, steering with one hand only. Segment 11. One-hand steering. It may look cool, but it's unsafe. Fact: 2 hands give you more control in emergencies. Solution: keep both hands on the wheel most of the time. Tip: use the 9 and 3 hand position for balance. Next, driving downhill in neutral. Segment 12. Neutral downhill. Some drivers think it saves fuel. Fact: it actually reduces control and is unsafe. Solution: stay in D when going downhill. Tip: use lower gears if your car allows to slow with engine power. Buddy, you're catching mistakes early. That's what creates real confidence. Next, tailgating. Segment 13. Following too closely. Beginners often drive too close to the car ahead. Fact: tailgating is one of the top causes of rear-end crashes. Solution: keep at least a 3-second gap. Tip: count 1, 2, 3 from the car ahead passing a landmark. Next, ignoring warning lights. Segment 14. Ignoring dashboard lights. Some drivers panic and ignore warning signals. Fact: those lights are there to prevent bigger problems. Solution: learn the basic icons: engine, oil, brake, battery. Tip: if a red warning appears, stop safely and check. Next, using only side mirrors for reversing. Segment 15. Reversing without looking back. Relying only on mirrors is a common mistake. Fact: turning your head reduces blind spots and prevents accidents. Solution: combine mirrors with direct vision. Tip: always turn your head when backing up. Buddy, mistakes are just lessons. You're turning fears into strength. Next, distractions while driving. Segment 16. Phone distractions. Checking your phone while driving is tempting. Fact: using a phone makes accidents 4 times more likely. Solution: keep your phone out of reach when driving. Tip: use hands-free only when absolutely necessary. Next, skipping maintenance. Segment 17. Ignoring car maintenance. Some drivers wait until a breakdown to fix their car. Fact: regular service prevents costly repairs later. Solution: follow the service schedule in your manual. Tip: mark service dates on your calendar. Next, poor posture behind the wheel. Segment 18. Bad driving posture. Sitting too far or too close reduces control. Fact: correct seating improves reaction time and reduces fatigue. Solution: sit upright with both hands comfortable on the wheel. Tip: adjust seat height so you clearly see the road. Next, overusing cruise control. Segment 19. Cruise control mistakes. Beginners sometimes use cruise control in unsafe places. Fact: cruise control is best for steady highways, not city traffic. Solution: use it only on open, clear roads. Tip: stay alert even when cruise control is on. You've learned so much, buddy. Let's wrap it up with your next step. Segment 20. Wrapping up. Mistakes happen, but awareness is your best protection. Solution: stay calm, learn, and improve one habit at a time. Tip: practice regularly in safe conditions until good habits feel natural. Like, share, comment your driving experience. Consult a medical professional if you have any health condition that may affect driving.